if you delete your PCV system properly, you run at extreme angles, you won't burn quarts of oil out of your engine. Now we're going to delete the PCV system using the 3 sides and down method using 10 feet of hose. We're going to go as far as we can to the passenger side, all the way to the back of the engine, around, as far as we can to the driver's side, then to the front of the engine, and down to the oil pan. That'll prevent any oil spilling out when we're on extreme angles to the sides or even upside down. This is the hose routing we did. First, we deleted the PCV valve right here with a cap. Then we took our outlet off the valve cover back here, routed it around to here. We added a T so we have both valve covers vented to atmosphere. And then we took that hose, we went as far as we could, around, back, and around, far around the end as we could, to the front, and then down. Came down to the engine, to the bottom of the oil pan, and put a little filter. Now, if you deleted it properly and routed the hose lines properly, you won't get any leaky oil going back into your intake manifold or leaking out the bottom of the engine. And then you don't have to worry about getting hydro locked. That's how it's done on a rock crawler. Go. If you have an extreme rock crawler, you definitely want to delete your PCV system. For when you roll over or go on extreme angles, it'll prevent quarts of oil going back to the intake and hydro locking your engine. Now when we start it, we still will have a little bit of smoke, but that's normal. What we're trying to prevent is the quarts of oil getting stuck in the engine and ruining your engine.